Happy cattle, late afternoon, August the 16th. They are in the second half of a paddock. You can notice the barn swallows are flying around here full speed ahead. The cattle are grazing as a group, as a mob, we would call in the managed grazing circles. You can see off to the left here the next strip of grass, all the bright yellow flowers from the sunhip plant. Sunhip is an interesting plant. You see some of these taller ones right here in front of me. Sunhip is a plant that's got a deep taproot. The cattle like the blossoms. They go after the top part of the plant. You'll see a few sunflowers in here, also a taprooted plant. And these taprooted plants actually go into the soil profile. They're actually working on bringing up minerals from 5 or 6 feet down. The grass plants and the sorghum plants and the soybean plants, they'll wrap their roots around the taprooted plants, and they'll actually mine minerals from further down. Helps open up the soil. Next time it rains, rainwater will go down deeper and faster, and it absorbs land just like a sponge. So this is a neat process. Beautiful time of day, sun setting, rain off to the west, and these cattle are just as content as they can be. They're standing here completely content. If they were hungry, they'd be up here mobbing me right now, wanting to go to the next field. And you can see Mother Nature at work here. There's a few butterflies flying in here as well. There's about 10 or 11 different species of grass and forbs in this particular paddock. These cattle are just completely happy, which is a great sight. So that's it for tonight. You see a mob. Well, those are starlings. Those aren't barn swallows. Time of the year where these birds start to gather up to go south. They're going to chase the barn swallows away. But anyway, the barn swallows had a nice picnic here. The swallows came up. Yep, there they go. There go the good old-fashioned European starlings. But they're opportunity seekers as well. They're looking for. Here come the barn swallows. They're diving back in here again. Look at that. They're coming right out of the sky. So lots of neat stuff in rural Lewis County. Again, August the 16th, Friday evening, and thank you for listening. Have a great night.